Hi guys, in this video we are talk about the 5 best Beats earbuds you can buy Amazon. The Beats earbuds are one of the most popular brands of earbuds on the market. They come in a variety of colors and shapes, and they offer a lot of different features to help you find the perfect fit for your needs. The first thing you should consider when looking for a pair of Beats earbuds is what type of music you will be listening to with them. If you are someone who listens to music that has heavy bass, or if you are looking for earbuds that will block out noise, then Beats wireless on-ear headphones would be the best choice. However, if you are looking for something more affordable, then Beats earbuds would be a better option. Beats are a popular brand of headphones and earphones. The company was founded by Dr. Dre and Jimmy Iovine in 2006. Beats has been criticized for its high price, but there are a number of reasons why they are worth the investment. The first reason is that the audio quality is superior to other brands. Beats headphones have an incredible sound quality and they are made with high-quality materials that make them durable and long-lasting, which means they will not break after just a few months of use like other brands might do. The second reason is that the design is sleek, stylish, and attractive. While other brands have clunky designs or ugly colors, Beats headphones have sleek designs with beautiful colors that make them perfect for personal use or as gifts for friends or family. Here are OnlyBetterOnes. We are a bunch of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze and research and new products and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, feature and user feedback. So if you are interested in any product, I have linked to each product description below. You can check if you want. If are new to this channel, please consider subscribing our channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any new video. Number 5. Powerbeats Pro. The Powerbeats Pro wireless earbuds are designed with a variety of features to help you get the most out of your workouts, whether you're running, cycling, or lifting weights. They feature a flexible design and an adjustable secure fit wing for a personalized fit that stays put no matter what your workout throws at you. The Powerbeats Pro wireless earbuds also have sweat-resistant and waterproof features, along with Apple and Android compatibility, to ensure your workout is never interrupted by a failed Bluetooth connection. Lightweight, ultra-thin design for a more comfortable fit, sweat-resistant and waterproof for sweat-free workouts in any climate, secure fit wing with flexible design for a personalized fit that stays put no matter what your workout throws at you. Get the power of wireless with Powerbeats Pro wireless earbuds. Compatible with both Apple and Samsung devices, these lightweight earbuds allow you to take calls, control volume, switch songs without ever touching your phone. Our sweat-resistant design has been tested in extreme conditions. They also have an adjustable fit and customizable sound profiles so you can stream without interruptions. Looking for the perfect gift for Father's Day or graduation? Get yours today. Number 4. Beats Flex. You know what's hard? Finding earbuds that won't fall out and keep you going for the long haul. You know what's easy? With our Beats Flex wireless earbuds, you'll enjoy 12 hours of listening time on a single charge with sweat-proof comfort and a built-in mic for hands-free calling. You might be wondering, what the heck is Beats Flex? Yeah, we've done that too. It's wireless earbuds that fit in your ears and they're fantastic. You can take them out, put them in your pocket, and keep them on the whole time. You'll never have to worry about cords again. These earbuds will also last 12 hours, so you'll never have to worry about stopping your workout early. So you can enjoy your favorite music and make hands-free calls with a built-in microphone. Meet the earbuds that are as flexible as you are. Our industry-leading Flex wireless earbuds were designed to be your perfect workout partner with a long-lasting battery and cutting-edge features. Through the latest wireless headphone technology, this pair of earbuds sound great and can be worn comfortably no matter where you are. Have an adjustable fit that is perfect for any ear size. The Beats Flex wireless earbuds are the next generation in wireless earphones. They're made of lightweight, flexible material so they can fit comfortably in your ear and won't fall out when you run. You can also store them in their case, which is small enough to fit in your pocket. Number 3. Beats Studio. We set out to design Beats Studio Wireless to make your listening experience a little more personal. For us, that means starting with noise cancelling and a comfortable fit. The result is an in-ear headphone that blocks ambient noise, stays secure in your ears, and feels light and comfortable. These are the everyday earbuds you want, the ones you'll be happy to take with you anywhere. Say no to wires. We've been living with bad earphone design for too long. The only way to enjoy music is either have it leak out or sit on your ear. Both are not ideal. The first true wireless earbuds that offer real noise cancellation up to 24 hours battery life, and so much more. Hear the music, not the world. It's time to listen to your favorite music without any interference. Studio buds are wireless and lightweight. And with a built-in microphone, they're made for talking on the go. These earbuds are perfect for your daily life because they can withstand sweat and rain and be submerged up to 1 meter in water. Music is a universal language we all understand. We are all listeners at heart, and we all need music to play throughout our day. We've been blasting our ears with subpar speakers and headphones for years. Finally, it's time to give them a rest. Give your ears the gift they deserve with Beats Studio Buds True Wireless Noise Cancelling Earbuds. Finally, you can enjoy your favorite music without the distractions of the outside world. Number 2. Beats Pro. Get these latest best wireless earphones in the market that are fuss-free, convenient and super comfortable to wear. With up to 9 hours of listening time and an adjustable, secure fit ear hooks, these are the world's lightest and most comfortable wireless earphones. With a sweat-proof feature, you can use them for any workout even when it's raining. Beats Pro will be your favorite headphones for daily workout. Beats Pro wireless earphones are finally here, and they're better than ever. These state-of-the-art earbuds will deliver your sound with premium clarity so you can enjoy your favorite music on the go. Get inspired to work out with the Pro Totally Wireless earphones. Secure, water resistance during tough workouts or running, and best for your daily workout life. Sound great with our noise-canceling technology. Beats Pro earphones are designed to help you get the best sound quality and comfort. Featuring up to 9 hours of listening time, just charge your earphones whenever you want to listen to music, call or take a break. The fast fuel function gives you 2 hours of playback with 5 minutes of charging. The adjustable, secure fit ear hooks keep your earphones in place and comfortable for the whole day. Never worry about the earphone. Number 1. Beats Fit Pro. We all have a personal style, and with Beats by Dre you'll find the perfect fit. Featuring flexible, secure fit wingtips for all-day comfort and stability, active noise cancelling, and transparency mode to best suit your listening needs, our new true wireless earbuds give you the freedom to be yourself. You'll never want to take off your headphones again. Beats Fit Pro's flexible, secure fit wingtips and adjustable earhooks provide a comfortable and stable fit for all-day comfort, while its innovative design allows you to choose whether you prefer listening to music or engaging in a workout. With its active noise cancelling feature as well as transparency mode, you're able to listen to music or stay informed without any distractions. It's time to change the way you listen to music. Get ready to feel the rush of being in the spotlight while listening to your music with Beats Fit Pro earbuds. Uniquely designed so that you can wear them with comfort and stability, these earbuds are flexible with secure fit wingtips for all-day use. You can barely feel them in your ears thanks to the secure fit wingtips. And you'll still get full audio quality with active noise cancelling and transparency mode best for listening music or workouts from Apple and Android devices. So while you are waiting,